If you could just say what's your name and what do you do?
My name is Akash Kumar Sheet. I am an intern and
Intern at Arjikor
intern at Medical College.
Medical College. Okay.
So, can I speak?
Yes, yes. What did you?
So today we have today there is a declared event that is going to happen in Arzikor and at Shambazar at various places, various locations at a event. In that event, actually, we are in Arzikor. We are preparing for a rally from Arzikor to Shambazar. When the rally was when the rally was preparing, there was a huge crowd behind these barricades, and uh, due to this blockage, the rally cannot come out from Archikor. We have to stop that rally, but those crowds are demanding to enter into Archikor campus. The polices were there, the barricades were there. The polices cannot actually defend those barriers. Those barriers were breached. A huge mob entered inside the college premises. They started this, beating the chair up and breaking them. They are breaking the top. They are breaking the lights, this stage. Then they rushed to the
So
emergency.
this was the protest
This was the area of the
area,
protest.
yeah,
We
and
are
it
doing
has
a
now
peaceful
been
protest.
vandalized.
Yes, vandalized very badly. Then
Were you there when this?
yes,
Are you
I was
hurt?
at that. No, I am not hurt. But if I could stand here, I would get hurt. That's definitely sure. Okay. No, I just run for my life to save my life because they were so brutally doing these activities. They are going to they're going to beat us. Then they rush to the emergency. They break those emergency gates. The nursing station is completely vandalized. The emergency services. How can the emergency services now be provided now? How can we provide them right now? What will the emergency patient will do if they come to us? We have no way to provide the services to them. They completely dismantle everything. You can go and watch what's happened there. The beds, the medicines, the fridge, the oxygen masks, nebulization equipment, everything is destroyed. Then they actually, after doing all these blunders, they roam in the colleges from one hostel to another hostels. Uh, they have threatened our female colleagues. Uh, they try to enter into the trauma care center. they are they are in a plan to beat us.
Do you have any idea where this mob originated from? What could have motivated this?
We have no idea about it. There was a huge amount of crowd which was doing a rally here. They are going towards Shambhaja. But suddenly they started the demanding and shouting, and they started to trying to breach the barricades. It's a sudden activity. There was after the breach, they just entered.
What about the police?
Police were present there, but they were just a bystander.
They did not do
Did
anything.
not do anything.
But we can see there's a lot of police presence
They are
here.
present now. They are present now. But when the incident took place, there was simply
What is
we the students after the police barricade. We the students were there to prevent the breach in the barricade. Can you think the amount of police there?
And what is the way forward now? What are you
We
thinking
will
about?
continue this movement from this broken platform. We will continue it.
Okay. Thank you so much for speaking with me. Would you like to say anything? Would you like to add anything?
Yes, I am also one of the protesters here.
Can you just state your name and what do you
My
do?
name is Ankana Paul. So I just came here with that. Actually, the girl night actually it was made here, and all the girl actually
For
just
Reclaim the Night?
reclaim the night, and they raise their voice. I'm also one of the girls, so I also came here, joined here. And when this actually mob attacked, so we all were so frightened, and we just got stuck, and we ran away from here, and we just took the shelter in the ladies hostel, the ladies intern hostel, and we were all just stuck there. Absolutely, we had no idea what was happening here, and we could actually hear from this place that mob was attacking here. They were capturing the place of emergency and everywhere. They destroyed and dismantled everything badly, and the police was absolutely inactive. When this attack has been actually happening, the police was absolutely not doing anything. Police was just like an audience. The police was just watching what the hooligans was performing there. It was absolutely hopeless. It was absolutely a shameful act from the Kolkata police.
How do you feel as a woman who stepped out to protest and then had to face something like this, a mob like this?
Absolutely. In this 21st century, we have to protest on this topic. The girl has been raped like this. Being a girl, we are protesting and we are getting attacked, and we are just took the shelter, and we are just like what should I say? We are so afraid and so frightened, and we are just took the shelter there. It was absolutely a shameful thing, and we have no idea that what would happen with us. Would we go live from here? We will go live from here, or would we be all will be killed, or what would happen? We had no idea. We are absolutely frightened. We are actually shattered over there. In that room, we just closed all the lights just so that the hooligans would not identify that the girls took the shelter there, and we just shut